Baji. Today, I'm meeting a lovely Punjabi auntie from Sargodha and she's teaching me how to cook authentic Desi Punjabi cuisine. We went to the supermarket together to buy all the groceries, then came back and cooked side by side. We cut 2 onions. Wow. Along the way, I also picked up some Punjabi words and phrases. Savedane. It was such an incredible experience. If you are curious to see how we communicated and of course how the food turned out, make sure to watch this vlog to the end. Assalamu alaikum Baji. आपका नाम क्या है बाजी? परवीन माशाल्लाह बहुत खूबसूरत बाजी है। आप कहाँ से? सरगोधा माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। ओके आज क्या खाना?
आज खाना बनाना है ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਖਾਣਾ चिकन कढ़ाई
चिकन कढ़ाई
हाँ जी
ओह अच्छा पंजाबी स्टाइल
जी पंजाबी
देसी चिकन कढ़ाई ओके नेक्स्ट पर्सन with us is Perveen Baji के husband शोहर मेरे uncle
Ijaz Hussain.
So he speaks very well English and he will help us to understand Baji and my, so we don't have any language barrier. So today we are planning to cook chicken karahi with Baji. Is it good idea?
Good idea, good idea. And we will also make halwa.
Really?
A special kind of halwa which is called vada in Punjabi. We call it vada.
Vada. Okay, in Sargodha you make vada halwa. Mashallah. Okay, we are ready to go?
We're ready.
Okay, let's go. Uncle and Baji, we go 3 of us to do shopping. Chale. Now we are heading to Punjab Cash and Carry PCC. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ready, yeah?
Let's go.
Assalamu alaikum bhai. Me ye cook ye chahiye ji. Baji, we need to cut. Chop chop. Okay. Cut karo. Total solo piece. Okay. Let's get fresh. Taza. Yeah, अच्छा है.
टमाटर हाँ
What is next? और green chili. थोड़ी. अच्छा. मिर्ची है. मिर्चा.
सावली मिर्च
साल में मिर्चा. आज सिर्फ पंजाबी बोलो.
आज सावली मिर्च
ये पंजाबी थूम है.
थूम और पंजाबी थूम गंदा
मिर्ची है. ये गंदा है. ये क्या है? अदरक. क्या अच्छा है?
ये गंदा
जिंजर. Is this good?
ये अच्छा नहीं ये अच्छा
Okay.
ये वाला अच्छा
बड़ा.
वो बड़ा है
So ये पंजाबी वेसल है.
ये लहसुन नहीं है, ये प्याज है.
प्याज?
प्याज वसल.
आप कौन है?
मैं पंजाबी हूँ.
ये क्या है?
ये गुड़ है, गुड़.
गुड़.
हाँ गुड़. ये भी हम हलवे से बताएंगे.
वाह मीठा है.
हाँ मीठा. ये मीठा होता है.
वाह शुगर अच्छा है गुड़ अच्छा है क्या?
गुड़ अच्छा है.
गुड़ जबरदस्त है. Uncle is saying I will pay myself.
Never. It is never. No, it is never. Keep it in pocket.
Why?
Keep it in pocket. No.
भाई मेरे कुकरी किधर है? ये है? नहीं. I will pay myself.
No, never. Keep it.
बाजी
जी
पूरी हो गया?
हाँ जी
अच्छा. So we've got all the vegetables and groceries for chicken karahi, halwa और रोटी. Okay. Okay, we are ready.
हाँ रेडी
Okay. ये क्या?
मुर्गी का गोश्त
मुर्गी का गोश्त.
जी बसल
बसर.
सावली मिर्चा
अच्छा.
टमाटर का पेस्ट
Okay.
अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट ये सारे मिक्स मसाले
Oh.
दही
हाँ. Okay.
हाँ
Start करो.
स्टार्ट करेंगे पकावन लगना है. एक चमचा तेल का थोड़ा जलते
Okay, now we're gonna heat this oil and ये वाला onion.
पहले बसल
पहले बसल. Okay, ये पहले है.
गरम हो रहा है.
Okay, गरम हो गया. Okay, we should wait until it gets hot. कितना प्याज है?
2 प्याज बटे.
2 प्याज. So we cut 2 onion and now we put into the oil to get it fried. अच्छा. Wow, Pakistani onion is really strong guys and it has super tasty flavor. Uncle, we should fry it until brown or red?
No, brown.
Brown
It will be brown.
Okay.
After some more heat, it will brown.
Is it your favorite food?
Yes.
Okay.
Chicken.
So, your wife cooks very well? Chicken karahi? I think he's never hungry. Baji cooks so delicious food. I have no doubt, guys. Baji and I, now we are making chutney. Punjabi chutney. And in Urdu, people call it raita. So we have different ingredients inside. And it's all in Punjabi. Let me read it for you guys. I have write it down in my alphabet. Savya mircha, pudina, thum, pabri, or niyazbu, same name, or namak, khas mazaika. Depends on how much do you want to add.
Dahi.
And dahi. Dahi, ye wala dahi hai. Punch it like this. And to grain everything inside. I should say my eyes. Oh, okay, I shouldn't look down, yeah? You wanna see? Look, all green color. Nom 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 nom. Guys, we should add savidani into this mixture and again to grain it.
सावेदाने
Savedane. अच्छा है?
हाँ
Savedane. Baba ji chassagi.
बस नहीं मजा आ गया
Maza aa gaya. Wow. Ready hai? Okay, what is next? So we fried onion within like 5-6 minutes. Now it has its brown color. Next we are adding the ginger, and within 2 hours, almost ready this place.
2 hours.
Sorry, and in 2 minutes this will be almost ready. Now we are adding kukri into this pot. Gosht. Murgi ki gosht. Uncle is the main boss. He's controlling every process of cooking.
Yes.
Can you cook yourself?
No, I cannot cook it, but I am editing that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So actually he knows how to cook, but he doesn't like to cook because wife can cook better.
Yes.
Okay.
लाल होते
Lal latte.
हाँ पेस्ट बनाया हमारा
This is 100% organic food. No need to buy tomato paste from supermarket. Just make it at home, guys. This is the best delicious option. Tomato, बहुत मजेदार. Tomato, बहुत मजेदार.
मिक्स मसाला
Mix.
खड़ी मिर्च
नमक।
नमक गरम मसाला सुक्का धाने हल्दी काली मिर्चा
Zira. Ready?
हाँ ready.
Okay, bismillah. Okay, so you guys add 1 bowl of yogurt, like this one on my hands. It should be around 150 grams, I think, around 200 grams. Okay guys, the food is almost ready. So last step is to add soya sauce and sirke. Okay,
थोड़ा सा सिरका
थोड़ा सा sirka. Oh wow.
नींबू पानी
Nimu pani. Ek nimu.
हाँ
Only 1 small lemon, you squeeze it.
हमने मिर्चा 4 अदद
Or mircha. Oh,
थोड़ा दिया
more mircha. Punjabis, they love spices. Wow. While chicken karahi is getting ready, I have some time to prepare chutney. So this is grained item, spicy item, and now we are adding yogurt on the top. Now I will mix. Family members are saying that I have to try it. Yeah, check karo.
चक
Chak.
चक
Bismillah. Oh, mirchi hai.
इसमें दही और डालें.
Baji is saying that when I tried it was very spicy for me. That's why she wants to decrease the spiciness by adding 2 more spoons of yogurt.
बस
Acha,
More
shukriya
butter.
Baji. Now I can check? Okay. Bismillah. Maza aa gaya.
स्वाद आ गया
Swad aa gaya. Swad aa gaya. And
मुकम्मल
mukammal.
हाँ जी मुकम्मल
Wow guys.
साला मुकम्मल
Finally, cuisine is ready. That is it. Oh, ये घी है?
हाँ जी एल
Wow. No need to roll. Just like it. Bas? Mashallah. Oh, we do like this. Okay. Acha. Baji, मुश्किल है.
मुश्किल आसान है
I think I have to make it faster. Oh my god, it takes forever for me to just make it bigger circle. Oh no, chapati. Problem hai. Oh my god. I cannot do it.
वेले नाल मैं नहीं मजा आंदा बच्चियां वेले नाल पकाईयां ए गोड़े
ये गोरे,
ए आटा
आटा,
दूध
दूध,
देसी घी बादाम काजू अखरोट और ये किशमिश
Okay, and with all these ingredients, we're making water halwa.
बड़ा हलवा बड़ा
Wada.
बड़ा बड़ा बड़ा
Wada.
बड़ा बड़ा
Wada, wada. Okay, so she gave me the most difficult task. I have to grind gur.
हाँ
So gur is made of sugar cane. It is healthy sugar, best sugar in the world, and you can get it in Pakistan. So I just do like this. It should be small, yeah?
Small. But look at that. What is the position?
Okay, what is the position? Is it good or more? I need more?
No. It is enough.
Can I try?
Yes.
Where did you get this from?
Huh?
From where?
हाँ
From Sargodha.
From Sargodha. Oh, your motherland. Okay. Masaidar. Meeta hai. There is 1 cup of ghee.
हाँ 3-4 लाची छोटी
Okay. Choti lachi.
हाँ छोटी लाची
5 piece. Yeah.
हाँ
Okay. I think ghee is very healthy oil to cook on it. Maybe I'm thinking to buy ghee also. You guys write in the comments which brand in Pakistan for ghee is famous and the quality is good, so I can buy it from the supermarket. Okay, atta. Okay, we should wait until this liquid becomes brown color.
जी
ये ready है, atta and ghee ready. Now we add gur. We are ready to add gur.
गुड़
Yeah, it's good smell. So this is around 200 grams, I think. Gur.
Yes.
We are eye measuring, guys. Desi style cooking. Okay, Baji, ये क्या है?
दूध
दूध, okay. छोटा दूध, yeah?
दूध
कितना?
1 चम्मच
1 चम्मच. Okay, 1 big spoon, guys.
हाँ 1 घोट
Goat?
1 घोट
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
1 घोट
This is so good. I want to eat this food so fast.
Yes.
Do you like halwa?
No, it is too tasty and
Tasty.
laziz.
Laziz. Laziz means enjoy.
Yes.
Laziz.
Delicious.
Delicious. Okay, we're gonna mix with all of this and the food is already ready. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी.
बस अभी तैयार हो गया, कुकड़ी तैयार हो गई है. पहले कुकड़ी खाएंगे, उसके बाद फिर ये हलवा टेस्ट करेंगे.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद चाय पिएंगे.
चाहिए. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी.
भूख लगी जी
भूख लगी?
भूख लगी है
वाह जी, बहुत शुक्रिया.
बहुत मजा है
बहुत मजा है.
खा के देखो सालन अचार
अचार? ये अचार है. So this is, guys, pickles. Spicy pickles made in Pakistani Desi style. So Baji, she made, I think, couple of days ago.
जी जी
And she made it, mixed it, and put into the cupboard and let it get prepared. So it is made by itself. Yeah. Can I use this spoon?
Yes, yes.
Okay, gajar. I think it's gonna be super spicy.
Yes.
And let's take ये रायता.
ये रायता मैंने आपके
ये
डाल
रायता.
दिया.
Oh, शुक्रिया.
Yes.
Uncle already here served for me raita. Okay, so guys, we have already hot roti.
खुद बनाई
Yeah, I couldn't resist, so I already got the taste of it. Let me try this one.
Yes, yes, yes.
Bismillah. Mashallah.
You have make it with your own hand.
देसी
So let's try.
Yes.
Check karo.
Check करो.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Bismillah. Allah barakatillah.
बारकातिल्लाह
Allah barakatillah.
Yes.
बिस्मिल्लाह
This is dua for
God, for Allah.
starting the food.
For starting the food. Check karo. Bismillah. Raita. Okay, we take raita. Kira.
Yes.
मजेदार.
मजेदार हो गया.
बहुत मजेदार. बहुत शुक्रिया बाजी. मैं आपके खाना बहुत अच्छा लगा इंशाल्लाह next time I will try to cook this food myself
Yes.
thank you
कैसा बना
बाबा जी चस्सागी
मजा आ गया
मजा आ गया
मजा।
बाजी chicken karahi was zabardast. You guys have seen how many spices we put into the food, but once I was eating it with raita, it was so blended that I didn't even feel the level of spiciness. It was so blended, so delicious, and I'm so happy right now. And Baji is saying she's not letting me go.
गुड़ वाला हलवा
हाँ check कर
चेक करो
Okay, check it.
खाओ खाओ
Cow.
खाओ
Wow,
Cow.
it is so crunchy.
Yes.
Look at this. Okay. We can get maybe badam.
हाँ
Badam. Okay,
सारा कुछ
bismillah.
बिस्मिल्लाह
Mmm.
कैसा बना किਵੇਂ ਬਣਿਆ है
Mazedar.
बहुत मजेदार
बहुत मजा.
कबाब
Okay. Oh, kava.
हाँ जी कबाब
Okay. So every dessert is served with kava.
हाँ जी कबाब
This is Sargodha kava.
No, Peshawari kebab.
Peshawari kava.
Peshawari kebab.
So delicious.
Yes.
बहुत शुक्रिया. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Jazakallah.
Thank you so much.
Jazakallah.
Inshallah, next time I will cook for you. You will be my guest. Thank you. Baji, uncle, बहुत शुक्रिया.
मेहरबानी.
आपसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा. One more time, and it was so delicious. Everything we have cooked. We spent the best day of my life today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Really nice to meet you. Okay, guys, I have something for this family. And now Denis, he went to the car.
My painting.
It's Denis' work.
Yes, I paint maybe like around like 1 week.
Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Very good.
This is gift for you. आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. You made our day today. You helped us to learn how to cook. Okay, guys, if you also want to invite me for your session of cooking, for your iconic cuisine, if you want to teach me, write in the comments. I will get back to you guys. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification for the next upcoming videos. And Baji ke channel is Amma Desi Food. Get subscribed right now. Don't forget, guys. We're gonna check who is subscribed to
Amma
your
Desi
channel.
Food.
Amma Desi Food. Ajo follow karo.
आजा आजा